Welcome back to our advertisement unit. Today we are going to review advertisement techniques and learn what a target audience is. For my t-shirt advertisement today, I have chosen our lovely school, KCIA. We have our own logo. We will get into what logos are a little bit later. Let's get started. Remember, we have 6 advertisement techniques, which is humor, shock, emotion, demonstrate, comparative, and celebrity endorsement. So let's review. Humor makes us laugh. Right here, we see a dog trying to quote unquote kill a bird with its breath. Obviously, we know that bad breath doesn't kill anybody, which is what makes this photo funny. Shock. Shock is something that will make you go, oh wow, what is that? When I look at this, this is a Whopper Day 28. This is showing you the shocking truth of using the beauty of no artificial preservatives, showing that the Whopper should have already disintegrated by day 28, but it hasn't, which is kind of scary to think that we eat that. The next one is emotion. Last time we had a pretty sad emotion with the smoking advertisement. So this one I want to show you the opposite, which is something really lighthearted and loving. Here you see a dog befriending a horse. So emotion doesn't have to be just sad or scary. It can actually be loving and sweet. The next one is demonstrate. Here we see a guy blending what looks to be a glow stick. Not sure why, but maybe he's showing us the durability of this blender, showing us that blenders, or this specific blender, can blend pretty much anything, which is pretty good for their product. Comparative. So here we see 2 separate stores, and on this you're showing 2 different prices, the price of one store versus the price of another. This is smart for their advertisement because it shows, hey, we're cheaper. You should shop here because you can save more money. And then celebrity endorsement. Hello, LeBron James. This is a celebrity endorsement for when McDonald's does their famous Monopoly prize and gets you to try and buy more product because they're doing a fun game. I mean, who doesn't like games? Obviously, LeBron James likes it. Hey. All right, so when we talk about audience, what is an audience? When we hear target audience, what are we talking about? We're talking about the people or group of people who we want to buy our product, who our product is for. If I look back at comparative and think, well, who cares about pricing? Parents. Parents and adults. They care about the price because we only make so much money. So if I'm a parent, this is going to appeal to me. A parent, I'm a part of their target audience because I need to save money. So the group that they were targeting is parents or adults in general, people trying to save money. Those are all different target audience groups. Other different types of groups that people may target is men, women, kids, parents, teenagers, elderly, ethnic groups, poor people, rich people, disabled people, and different religious groups. If I'm in a company and I'm making hijabs, I'm not going to target white American Christian girls. They don't wear hijabs. That would not be good for my business. If I'm going to make hijabs and target Somali practicing Islamic females, that would be great because they wear that object. Just like I'm not going to target hamburgers towards vegetarians because they don't eat meat. Doesn't make any sense at all. But these companies know who they are selling to and know everything there is about them. Here's how to appeal and get the attention of the audience you want. You need to know what they like, know what is trending and popular, and research that group of people. Some companies will even hire individual people to research different groups of other people. This way the company can target or focus on just that group. So if I want to sell something to you, my students, then I would need to know what you like. I know for a fact that some of you like Fortnite, so maybe I make a product using Fortnite features, or maybe I do something with Shopkins because a lot of you like animals and fun, bright colors. You have to know who you're targeting. So, target audience review is a people, or group of people you want to buy your product. So, if my product is a toy, I'm going to want to focus on kids and maybe parents because the parents have to buy the toys. So, when you are thinking of what you are making your product, think of who it is for. Is it for men, women, kids, parents, teenagers? Who is your product for? What is your product? Who will like your product? Once you figure that out, then you can start thinking about, well, what do kids like? Kids like silly stuff like fart noises and candy and different TV shows, but I don't think they like things like sitting around and doing nothing, reading for hours at a time, or going over their bills. None of those things sound fun for kids. So think about who your audience is, what they like, and try and make your product fit their needs and what they want. So hopefully this is helpful. You guys are going to go choose your target audience now. So think about what your product is and think about what group of people is going to like this. Adults, kids, teenagers? Is it going to be kids that are just boys? Kids that are just girls? Or all kids? Is it going to be for parents to help them out? Is it going to be for moms or for dads? What about grandparents? Who is it for? So really take some time and think about it, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.